Alright, so I have a new truck bed cover from TripleAliners, and this one is really thick, heavy duty rubber or plastic, whatever the material actually is. I had a different liner in here for the last year and a half, and we're going to change it up to this one. But this one is a really nice quality. It does come folded up, so you will need to lay it flat for a little while. It's best if you have warm air or you got the sun beating down on it. I don't have either one, but it has flattened out somewhat. Now you'll see that this one has the grooves that go all the way up around the corners. That way it catches everything, including the water, debris, anything that might be sliding around in there. They have these raised spots here that's going to accommodate for like the bolts that are in the bed. And these are shaped to go right around your tires or your wheel wells. These do smooth out quite a bit after a couple of days, especially like I mentioned, if you got heat, sun hitting it. If you got sun, it's going to help a lot. You could also hit it with hot water, and that will speed it up as well if you don't have sun. I don't have hot water either. But you will see that it will fit the shape of your truck bed, but it goes in pretty easy. They work really well. They will help protect your truck bed. They'll also help protect the things that you put in there. And these are a lot easier to clean as well. I've been able to pressure wash my old one, sweep it out, spray it out, and it's just a lot easier to keep cleaned. But you'll see how that side will raise up all the way around to help keep all the debris and everything in the liner. But if you are looking for a decent high quality liner, nice and thick, it's going to protect your truck bed, protect things that you put in there. It's going to be easier to clean. Definitely get you one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.